Have you ever wanted to draw people and faces? Well, one of the key components is drawing a realistic human eye, and this course will teach you how to do it. Hi, my name is Phil Ebener. I'm the founder of Video School. In this class, we've partnered with an exceptional artist, Kevin Gardine. He's ready to turn your aspirations into a reality, sharpen those skills, and it's the perfect course for any beginner to learn how to draw human eyes.
Hi, I'm Kevin, and I'm here to take you on an exciting journey in the art of drawing the human eye. This course is crafted to be your first step into the world of art, no matter your starting level. In just 1 hour, you'll learn some skills that will make your drawings more advanced, even if you're just a beginner. You'll learn the essentials from the anatomy of the eye to drawing eyes with different expressions at different angles. And the best part, this course is absolutely free. We've even included a comprehensive PDF workbook that will help you through this course. You'll soon be drawing eyes that are both realistic and expressive. This course is more than just learning, it's about beginning a lifelong journey in art. I'll see you in the course.
So are you ready to begin? Enroll right now and get instant access to the entire course, and you'll start learning some new creative skills.